Good evening, children. For the 9th class student, I am going to explain one important problem, 2 marks question. Find an irrational number between 3 and 4. In the previous class, we discussed about the rational number. Now we are taking irrational number. Here two types they will ask. Find at least one irrational number between 3 and 4 and only one rational number between 3 and 4. Both are different. I will explain both of the questions. First, I am taking an irrational number between 3 and 4. Look at here. If suppose A comma B are rational numbers, AB is not a perfect square, then A comma B are rational numbers and AB is not a perfect square, then root AB, irrational in the sense here, root AB is irrational number between A and B. In exams, there is no need to write these things. For your understanding, I wrote this one. Root of AB is irrational number. Now the question is here, an irrational number between 3 and 4. So here A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. The multiplication of 3 and 4 is 12. It is not a perfect square. So root of AB will become here irrational number. So irrational number between 3 and 4 is equal to, according to the formula, root of AB. This is equal to root of 3 into 4. This is equal to root 12. So root 12 is a number between 3 and 4. In this problem, find at least one irrational number between 2 and 3. In the previous problem, exactly one irrational number, we used the formula of root AB. But at least in the sense minimum. 1 may be, 2 may be, 3 may be, 4 may be. So more than 1. So at least is there. So whenever at least is given here, the problem is very easy. To find out more than one irrational number is very easy. First we will take A as 2, again B as 3. We already know irrational in the sense here root, according to our sense. So we will write 2 in terms of root. How can we write? If you write 2 in the root, it will become root of 2 square. Means square root cancel in the sense here again, it will become 2. Then finally it will be root 4. Again 3 can be replaced, children. Root of, it will become 3 square. Again square root cancel in the sense we can get 3. Square root cancel in the sense. So again it will be root 9. 3 square in the sense 3 into 3, 9. 2 square in the sense 2 into 2, 4. 2 will be root 4, 3 will be root 9. But we want more, at least one irrational number. So root 4, what is the next irrational number? Root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8 and root 9. Root 4 is nothing but 2, root 9 is nothing but 3. So these are the irrational numbers between 2 and 3. In the previous case, one irrational number they want. At that moment, if you write root 5, correct only, root 6, that is also correct only, root 7, that is also correct only, root 8, that is also correct only. May if you take any one of the value, that is the answer for the previous one, at least is there. So root 5, root 6, or root 5, root 6, root 7, or root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, if you write anything, that will be the answer. Definitely we can get these questions in the annual exams. Remember, rational numbers and irrational numbers. One and at least one. So we can solve like this here. Thank you.